Hi everyone, I'm just going to do a little experiment today. Just put some White House paint on my small little canvas. It's 4x4. It's eggshell. Okay, so I'm going to try a cell activator that I just made, and it's made out of the Piggy Pigment. All right, so I've got copper. I don't know if I should use, yeah, I'll use it. I have a Acrylic apple green, and I have PBO blue green, and I'm gonna put, I have some Pinot Gris, which is a Piggy pigment, this Little Piggy. I'll put some turquoise. This feels like it's gone a bit thick on me. All right, I'll put this apple green on top. Just want to make sure it's not too thick. If it's too thick underneath the CA, then it won't blow out properly. All right. Break some of these bubbles. All right, so now I have my C8, which is Nightfall. Aussie floetrol gloss medium in water. All right, let's blow this. already. You gotta get the whole thing blown out. A little hard there, but let's see if I can zoom you in. Well, it's moving, so I'll spin it. So it's all one way. Well, it seemed to work. I don't like that little glob that I had there, but okay, should I do another one to show you with the blowing technique? Maybe one not so green. I think I will do another one. I'll just go right over this. So that was that one. We know when that worked. Now, I will use, I won't use the apple green. I might put the copper on the top, PBO on the bottom. I have to make up some more colors, so that's why I don't have a bunch of different colors. Since this is thicker, it's better on the bottom. It's time to make some more. So that's turquoise. Put some Pinot Gris down. This is a Piggy. I might use another Piggy. I use Twinkle. No, this is Sequence. It's a purpley pinky color. Maybe I won't put copper in. Should put that on top. Let's see what else I got. This is Amsterdam Yellow Red. I don't know how this is going to look. I'll just put a little bit. All right, now I'll just put the purple down and then I'll blow it with my mini blower. Just gonna put a drop of water in. All right, let's try this. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Oh, I'm glad I left the copper out this time. I did blow a little bit hard there, so I'll let that come back. Ooh, such a gorgeous colors. Look at that. The PBO and the pinks and the purple. Here, I like this one much better than the green one. So pretty. Couple more minutes and then I'll spin it. So I'm happy with the cell activator. So it's this Little Piggy Nightfall. I'll put the recipe in the description under my video. Just hope it dries okay. Green off there. I'll go to the other side. losing my cells over there. I hate losing my cells. Okay, I'm gonna go this way a little more. Come on. I might just leave it off center a bit. Oh, look at that pink, what did I use? Sequence in there is coming out nice. The Pinot Gris is showing up over here and here. Oh, it's very pretty. This I'm not fond of. That's why I'm leaving it like that. I can't wait to see how it dries. Okay, I'm going to leave it. I just want to see what these colors look like when they're dry. That's unfortunate, but I like it. It's very pretty. I'm going to leave my white corners. I'm not worried about my white corners. I don't want to stretch it too much more. Thanks for watching. And there you go. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. Here's my little 4x4 canvas that I was testing my cell activator out on. Look at that. It worked really well. And there's the pink twinkle. I think it was twinkle that I put in there. And the Pinot Gris is shining up there too. There's the Pinot Gris right here. It's blended in with the turquoise I put in. It came out really pretty. Just love the Piggy pigments. There you go. Have a good day. Bye-bye.